When you call someone in emo, many ads come which is very annoying. In this video, we will discuss how to stop annoying ads. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Assalamu alaikum friends, today we will discuss how to block ads in emo. Click settings. Click search bar, then type DNS. Click private DNS. Then open private DNS. Then select private DNS option. Then click designated private DNS. Then type dns.adguard.com. Click save. Hopefully there will comparatively less ads now. Using private DNS will make your phone more secure. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.